What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to The Informed Trader. My name is Chris. Every day on this channel, we analyze the stock market, looking for different ticker symbols that you could potentially add to your watch list or invest in. And I'm just here to give you the information you need to make the right trades. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Also, if you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe. Leave a like on the video if you find it helpful. We've grown really well in the past month, and I'd like to get this up to at least 5% subscribed here in the next couple weeks. So if you guys could help me out there, I'd really appreciate it. Now, Palantir finally had a breakout day, up a total of 6% on the day. We had some good movement in pre-market and of course at open, and we are sitting right in the mid $26 range. But we want to talk about the breaking news, go over the price target for Palantir. You guys know I'm really bullish on the stock. I'll show you my holdings. I doubled down today. But yeah, let's get into it. This is the big news for the day. Everyone's talking about Palantir and Faurecia embark on long-term strategic partnership. Palantir announced today it has entered into a 6-year partnership with Faurecia, one of the world's leading automotive technology companies, to accelerate its digital transformation ambition to be CO2 neutral. The foundry was designed to help organizations integrate data sources and make the best possible use of their data. Faurecia will use Palantir's foundry software to gain further insight into its data across the company, from manufacturing to purchasing, from engineering to finances. That sentence right there is a key phrase that I think gets overlooked a lot of times. It's stating that the use case for Palantir software will benefit them from manufacturing all the way up to purchasing and engineering, all the way to the finances. All right, so basically every aspect of their business will be helped from Palantir software. Palantir Foundry will allow Faurecia to reduce raw material consumption, improve R&D competitiveness, secure purchasing excellence, and track and measure overall CO2 neutrality efforts. The applications built on the data platform will contribute to generate digital twins, thus also enabling Faurecia's capabilities to proactively simulate variability. In partnership with Palantir will trigger a major new step in our digital transformation, allowing to robustly scale our digitalization actions. Developing and strengthening our large-scale data capture and analysis will further increase agility, enhance the use of artificial intelligence, and increase decision support and automation in Faurecia. Okay, so big news there. Working with technology that's going to help the automotive industry, showcasing the fact that Palantir can branch out into these other sectors and literally just benefit companies in every aspect. And we know these things about Palantir, right? We know that the company has good foundational values. The growth that this company is going to have in the coming years is incomprehensible. They came from servicing solely government contracts to now just balling up in the commercial industry. And as we've seen, they're going to benefit Amazon, and they're teaming up with this automotive line. And it seems like every week we're hearing of new partnerships, new contracts. And that's Palantir for you. When your technology is good, when you've invested so much into your product, you're going to start reaping benefits from it. And Palantir is definitely doing that. Now, for those of you who haven't seen a Palantir price target yet, this article from capital.com here states, they said growth sustainability at significant scale puts PLTR in rarefied air among software companies, coupled with an aggressive profitability ramp. This is a highly unique story for long-term investors. The analyst added that in the short term, the stock is set to remain under pressure from the expiry of the lockup period after the IPO, allowing shareholders to sell and take profit after the recent rally in the share price. Its Palantir stock forecast 2025 has the company trading at $348.78 per share, up from an average of $78.46 in December 2021. All right, we're looking at a potential triple X just this year alone, and obviously this is a very bullish price target, but in a 5-year time period, they foresee Palantir being worth around $350 per share. I like those prices. All right. So in my WeBull account, I currently own 20 shares. Not a huge amount in here. That's what I got going on now. And in my Robinhood account, I currently own 147 shares. And then in my Fidelity account, I own 39 shares. So altogether, I'm sitting at 206 shares. Now, I know this is a drop in the bucket compared to a lot of you diehard investors and Palantir bulls, but it's a start for me, and I plan to get to at least 500 shares, ideally 1,000. We'll see if the price will stay in the range for me to buy and afford more. We had a high of $26.84, and it's holding strong above 26, so it's very encouraging to see the upward trend in Palantir, much needed and much deserved. And just for fun here, if we take a look at this post from 4 days ago by Mr. Evertan, he says, locked and loaded in Palantir, almost got margin called on Friday. Look at this. $932,000 worth of Palantir, 38,500 shares. Average cost of $23. This is nuts. All right, so he's sitting pretty right now. It's kind of cool to see some of these crazy people out here with tons of money in single stocks. But anyways, guys, yeah, I just wanted to catch you up on the news for Palantir, take a look at the price target for the future, and show you where I'm currently sitting at in my Palantir holdings. So if you're new to the channel, please leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to like the video anyway. It helps me out. And as always, take care out there. Invest wisely. You're on the Informed Trader. I'll catch you in the next video.